Welcome to Shadow, the birthplace of Boeing. Just 25 miles north of downtown, you will find the Boeing Everett Factory and the largest building in the world by volume. Imagine, this is really history in the making. This is where iconic airplanes like the 787, Dreamliner, and the 777X are assembled. The scale here is mind-blowing, big enough to fit 75 football fields inside. Really amazing, it's crazy. Visitors can explore the Future of Flight Center, see interactive exhibits, and even catch live plane spotting at Boeing Field. Shuttle isn't just a coffee, and the Space Needle is also where aviation dreams take flight with Boeing. And look at these. These are the Dreamliners, the Boeing, the 77X are here. So what are you waiting for? Come and join us next time. And remember guys, it's always possible to travel around the world only through the power of God. See you everyone. Boeing 77 in shuttle. Bye.